Let's talk about the three fats that have the potential to reverse a fatty liver. So many people are freaked out about fat, and they have this thing in their mind that if they eat any fat at all, they're going to get a fatty liver. But in reality, what causes fatty liver is more of the carbohydrates that are converting to fat. But there are three fats that you can start consuming in larger amounts that will help reverse a fatty liver. And I'm going to put some links down below for each one. Number one, olive oil. Olive oil is an omega-9 fatty acid. It's anti-inflammatory, and it's highly beneficial to support a fatty liver. Don't worry about the calories from olive oil or trying to have just a little bit. Use a good amount of it. There's a lot of other benefits to olive oil, and I'll put a link down below, but I would recommend organic and extra virgin olive oil being the best. All right, number two, fish oils. I'm talking about wild-caught fish oils. You can also do cod liver oil, rich in omega-3. Fish oils inhibit fat from accumulating on the liver, and it can actually help reduce the fat in your liver as well. It's highly anti-inflammatory. It's also good for the retina, it's good for the heart, and it's definitely good for your brain. So make sure that you start consuming fish at least 2 to 3 times a week, but make sure it's the fatty fish as well, and it wouldn't hurt to find a high-quality fish oil or a cod liver oil. All right, last one is the virgin coconut oil. Can help reverse a fatty liver in rat studies. Now, there's not any human studies, but if you have a pet rat that has a fatty liver, start feeding them some coconut oil. Make sure it's virgin. Now, there's some other things you can do to reduce fat on the liver. And by the way, having a fatty liver is very, very common. One way to know that you have it is just to look down. If you have a gut, you have a fatty liver. But even if you don't have a gut and you're doing a high carbohydrate diet, the fat is around the organs. You can't quite see them sometimes. It is definitely going to be crammed up inside the liver. There's some other things you can do. Purified bile salts is a really good remedy for a fatty liver. You would take 1 tablet after a meal. Number 2, choline. Excellent fat-soluble nutrient that can help strip fat off the liver. Also, cutting your carbs down, and I'm talking about sugar and especially fructose, because there's nothing that will fatten up a liver faster than fructose. Okay, number 4, fasting. What happens when you fast, both intermittently and periodic prolonged fasting, is that you give your body a chance to reduce insulin. And the body will then start to go after fat reserves in your liver and turn that into ketones. So it'll start to tap in to the fat reserve finally because you're not stimulating insulin, and then the amount of fat will get less and less and less. So fasting is essential if you are really serious about getting rid of that fat in your liver. Thanks for watching.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely. You have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple. We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.